Don't touch the bear. Hi, Beldar. Hi, Beldar. Speak. Louder. Louder. Speak. There you go. You're so cute.